Here we have a 2019 19 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE30D. Now it does come with 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 21-inch alloy wheels with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We do also have the LED headlights as well. It's the black Kiddie Girls, full M Sport styling kit, so you do get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now you do have the black tiled styling, so you do get the black wing mirrors with the black roof bars, black window trim and also privacy glass on the rear. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras, so one that comes out just above the number plate, 2 underneath the wing mirrors and 1 in the front grille. Now as you can see, we do have the chrome tip exhaust, fully dual exits which are flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. There's a quick look at another superb alloy wheel. Now if we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now we do have full leather throughout with the white stitching, soft touch leather armrest which folds out just there with storage behind the driver and passenger seat, vents with storage in the centre and 12-volt connectivity. In the doors you do get your ambient lighting with integrated Harman Kardon speakers with the BMW individual trim and your electric windows. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle, especially in that glistening sun. Now if we go to the front, I'll show you a bit of the interior of the front. There's a look at the driver's front seat with the electric function just there. Now they are memory as well as heated. We do also get the electric windows with electric power folding mirrors, button for the power assisted rear tailgate, and again the integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Now jumping inside the car, you have your auto lights just down there. Foot on the brake, you have keyless start, so press the button and then the vehicle will then start. Now as you can see, it is free from any warning lights on the dashboard, and it is covered. Let me just go through the menus and I'll be able to show you just over 17,190 miles. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter with paddle shift just behind. You have your auto lights just there as well. Now I do have the big screen in the centre which is also touchscreen, and you also have your gesture support, so you go like that when it's a bit closer, and then the volume on the radio or whatever you listen to will turn up. Now I do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so go to apps as you can see just there. We have media connectivity where we do have DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity as well as satellite navigation. Pop car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera just there. Pop it into drive and it switches to the front. But you can also go through all those cameras just there, so whatever suits your preferences. Coming down here, you do have your dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon. So for those hot days like today where it's 30 degrees, it really does make all the difference. Now I do also have the 2 heated front seats, as you can see just there, work exactly how you would expect them to. BMW individual trim, again with the ambient lighting just there. Then we do also have different drive modes, so if I go back, we can have adaptive, eco pro, comfort and also sport with individual, which is just there. Now I can configure individual to suit whatever preferences you choose. Pop this open, you do have wireless charging with 2 nice sized cup holders, and you also have 12-volt connectivity there as well. This is what you use to control everything happens on the screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. You do have the air suspension, so you can raise and lower it, as I've just lowered it, as you can see it's doing it now. Traction control on and off with your cameras and parking sensors. You can also turn the stop start on and off. You do have the drive mode select just there. We also have electric parking brake with auto hold and downhill ascent assist. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath just there. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.